Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna have a nice home vlog today. Basically this week has honestly been a little stressful. My munchkin is teething still, they teeth for a while. And she went for, so she had her 18-month appointment this week, and the day of, she decided to not have a good night's sleep and wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. That's where it started. And then she took a little nap right before her appointment. You guys, I hate going to the doctor, myself personally. So the fact that I had to take my toddler to the doctor, oh my goodness. So we went in. As soon as the nurse walked in, my baby did not stop crying until we left. No, that's a lie. She did not stop crying until we got home. So it was bad. So she literally cried the second they touched her, the second the doctor touched her. She slapped the doctor. She pulled the doctor's hair. Y'all. My baby was throwing hands. It was rough. I mean, she did get 2 shots. They did take out her blood, which, as you guys, if you are a parent, you know that's already not fun. We are blessed that she normally doesn't have any side effects from shots at all. Like, she doesn't even limp. Like, she's thankfully always so good after shots. But yeah, guys, I was emotionally drained after all that. I was like, I'm tired. So like when we put her down for her nap, when we got back, me and my husband knocked out, and then the next day she was good, and a couple days after now she has been sleeping good, thankfully. Hopefully that continues. But yeah, it was a little rough. Good thing is we don't have to go back for 6 months, because I don't want to go back. But yeah, that was this week. I had filmed the day before, but I was already like anxious. It was basically a haul, Target, Costco, and I believe something else, Kohl's. But I honestly am not gonna upload that. The lighting was horrible, and you could tell that I was down. Honestly, it's more because of the lighting. I would have uploaded it still with the fact that I was down, because I mean it's real life. But the lighting was really bad. Like, I couldn't even tolerate it while I was trying to edit it, and I was like, don't think this is going up. But yeah, so that. And then today my mom is here. And I might clean up this room. I do want to film one video. I have a couple of things that are coming in. I am trying a product from thme. I pay for it with my own money. Temu. But I don't know how it's gonna be, so we'll find out together, because I took it out of the packaging. It's a dupe for something from Petunia. I haven't seen anybody talk about it, but I saw it and I was like a little suspicious. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish getting ready though, and then we'll see where today goes. I have no idea what I want to make for dinner today. Wow, it looks really bright. Do I need to change the setting? I don't think they made a difference. I have no idea what I'm making for dinner. So we have HelloFresh Home Chef right now, and I'm getting HelloFresh, excuse me, tomorrow. We have chili. I don't know if my husband would want to eat that right now. 1 pot pork chili with kidney beans, which I might just make this. And I'm also going to make some rice for my baby. Yeah, I guess I'll just make this. All right, so we're gonna make HelloFresh 1 pot. If you guys can see that. Oh my god, it's gonna snow. I freaking hate this weather, guys. You guys have no idea. No idea how much. I just stopped the camera on myself. Okay, so I had a couple of stuff that I actually did not use from Home Chef or Blue Apron, and my sister-in-law gave me stuff. So I think I'm gonna make the one pot, the pork chili, and then I'm going to make, because in this one there's no broccoli. My sister-in-law didn't give me the broccoli, but I'm gonna make the rice and quinoa and give it a good mix so my daughter can have that. And I'm pretty sure my husband will love the chili with rice. Hispanics eat everything with rice. All right, so here I am chopping everything up and getting dinner ready. I noticed you guys don't really like food tutorials, so I am skipping that. And then I am gonna clean as I go. I really need to clean as I go. I have a small kitchen, so I like, you know, if I leave everything towards the end, I will have a ginormous mess all over my kitchen, which drives me crazy and makes me super anxious. So dinner's pretty much ready. It's 2:20. I'm gonna go ahead and put her down for a nap. All right, and this was actually after dinner. I am washing the dishes again. As you guys can see, there is quite a bit of dishes in there, but again, I clean as I go, and you still end up with the pile towards the end. This is probably my least favorite thing to clean. It is my stove top. I don't know why I hate cleaning it so much. I just hate when I cook something so simple and it's just a mess all over the stove top, and you're like, why? Why? And this day I did actually make my husband's lunch and show you guys. So today he wanted the croissants from Costco, and I just do them like regular cheese, ham, and I pack mayo inside the little bag. I did put some cream cheese for him for his breakfast, for his bagel, and I did some grapes, and I gave him a little apple juice pouch since my daughter doesn't have a juice yet. Then I did have to fill up some of my like brown sugar, my flour. They were already running low. Making my list for stuff that I know we're gonna need to pick up soon. All right, guys, I'm calling it a vlog. I'm gonna actually take off my makeup. My husband just said hurry up. He feels like he hasn't seen me all day, even though we had dinner together, but understandably. So I am actually I made a smoothie. So the doctor actually recommended that I make smoothies with milk for my daughter, because she likes fruits and vegetables. Sneak in the milk into that, since she's not a fan of milk. She takes little sips here and there a day. She's not like grabbing the bottle and just drinking it. Well, one, she doesn't even like bottles. She only likes sippy cups. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I decided let me go ahead and make one for me too with my milk, though, since it helps my milk supply. So yeah, not a blabbing. I really hope you guys enjoy today's small, very all over the place vlog. I think all my videos lately have been all over the place, but this mama is tired, so it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoy anyways, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.